everybody, and welcome to a really short form masterclass with Buff Browz. And today we are doing a lamination paired with a messy stain. So I'm preparing my client's skin with polish from the Brow Care range, which is an apricot kernel based exfoliator, and this is going to lift any dead skin cells off of the skin so that we have a lovely canvas to work with. And to remove any makeup impurities and any leftover polish, I'm just buffing Purify into the skin, and this is going to thoroughly cleanse the area. I'm going to use the Cysteamine system today, and I've gone straight in with step 1 into the brows, and as soon as I start buffing the product in, I start my timer for each eyebrow, and I always have a separate timer for each brow. I do personally always use a film wrap just to speed up the process and to help those hairs to really lay flat, but I only ever apply it for 2 minutes at a time. And then for this client, where the roots of her hairs are quite dense, I have actually applied a little bit more step 1 into the roots. These hairs are now ready. They're super flexible and very pliable, and it's now time to apply step 2. And don't be afraid to apply a really generous amount, as the hair can absorb step 2 very quickly. So in order to achieve a good skin grab, we do need to remove any reminiscence of step 1 and step 2 from the hair and from the skin, as this can create a little bit of a barrier. Now I have mixed up my stain, and I am just working it into the area in really thin layers with a disposable wand, and I apply roughly 2 to 3 layers, and I'm just removing it from the skin with our new rinsed shampoo, which is a colour care shampoo. For that beautiful, soft, sleek finish, I'm using Heavenly Balm, which is an incredible alternative step 3 for your clients who are wanting a super sleek result. This client always comes up a little bit hivey after her waxing. She always looks a little bit sore and sensitive. It's totally normal, and our results can't always look perfectly Instagrammable, as some of our clients do come up super red. So if you do want to try and soften the redness in the skin, you can use Camo, which is a skin neutralizer from the Buff Browz Divine collection, and it does appear green, but as soon as you start buffing it into the skin, you can get that really lovely skin tone match. So these are our after results. I think that they look lovely, albeit she's a little bit sensitive. I think all in all, I'm really happy with the results that we've managed to achieve. For the full video tutorial, please make sure to check out our channel. Thank you so much for watching today, and we will release another video very soon.